I know. Red.
Yeah.
Cover your mouth. You got coloring book and crayons? Purple. Good job. Take it all out. What else is in there? You got SpongeBob? Yeah, you want to take a bath with SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in there first? Green. Good job. Uh-oh.
Don't shoot the kitten.
You're gonna shoot the kitty cat? What else is in your egg? Baby. Hi, Kiki.
Put the gun down. Do something else. Yeah.
Do you know what that is? Hit it. Put it on the ground and slap it. You gotta hit it really hard. Punch it. Stand up and stomp on it.
Move your gun.
Yeah, don't stomp on your gun. Hey, 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 ha. The cat was going down my shirt. Oh, okay, enough. I think. What's it doing? What's it doing? He knows what it is.
Oh, I can see it's a balloon. Look, come here. Put your top down. Look, what's this right here? What's that?
Hey, go pick your balloon up and shake it. Stomp on it. Come here, Nathan. Let me see.
Look, stomp right here.
Shake it. Shake it more.
Stomp right there. There you go. Watch out.
Oh, let it go. Put it down. Leave it. Back up.
Pick it up right here.
It's gonna scare the crap out of that kitten.
Hold it right here at the bottom. I'll shake it.
It's not exploding. Bring me your balloon, baby. Put the kitty cat down. Oh, maybe that is a balloon. The other ones pop out of this little bag thingy. Okay. Let me see. Got balloon. Pop. What you got? You got balloon? Shake it. Alright. You want to go see what else is in your egg? Well, go see.
Let me see your balloon.
I don't remember what else is in there.
Put yours back over there, Bubble, with all your stuff.
Is there anything else in there?
What else is in there?
Bless you.
I see. What else you got in here? Take it out. Got another one? I see. Go put it over there with your stuff. What's it doing?
Let him shake it.
Shake it.
We got another balloon. Where's your other balloon? You should have another one. Look in your egg.
Come on. What else you got? Got more chalk? Put it over here.
Nathan, do you have any chalk?
Yeah.
Good job.
What else you got in there?
Raw. You got dinosaur?
Right down.
Nathan,
What else
the
you
kitty
got?
cat wants your stuff.
Got SpongeBob? Yeah, I see it.
Mhm.
Put down here. Right down like this.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Gonna dump your candy out?